Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Bluehost marketing tools for SEO. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. So first of all, if you want to use Bluehost marketing tools, we need to identify which tools are suitable for your journey on Bluehost marketing. So you have for beginners, you can learn right here in the guide the best tools for your website in 2024, right? And basically it probably goes without saying, but make sure that you do your research to ensure that the SEO tool you've chosen is the best one for your website. For example, if you publish musings or on a small blog just for fun, you probably don't need to invest hundreds of dollars a month on a enterprise grade SEO tools. Before you decide on the SEO tools, think about the SEO business goal, right, in the budget and level of experience and the website and the competitors as well. If your product or what you're offering is very common, you probably have less chance of getting traffic on your website. Now let's get to the best tools for WordPress users. You have Yoast. Yoast claims to be the top SEO plugin for WordPress, and with 13 million users, it's easy to see why. Okay, its name serves as a guide to pronouncing founder Joost de Valk's first name. With Yoast, you get more than an SEO tool. Yoast recognizes many semantic variants of keywords, right, to aid natural writing. Plus, if you're creature of habit, it's SEO workouts that can help you keep up a routine of maintaining your website's SEO health. And you can see right here you have the three plan. You have the free version, right, and you have the premium version and the plugin subscription. Okay, and the Yoast plugin for WordPress has an excellent free version. So we advise going for the Yoast premium to get more perks. And if you want to use another tool, Google Analytics, right? Through Google Analytics, you can get a free report on your website traffic in real time or over different time periods. A high traffic period might show you that marketing campaign is working well, or tell you that you need to redouble your SEO efforts. And you can use Google Search Console, previously called Google Webmaster Tools, promises to help you make your site shine in Google search results. Now, and for best tool for those on a budget, SEO Power Suite. SEO Power Suite classes itself as a toolkit rather than a tool. SEO Power Suite can be a great pick for budget customers, partially because it has a free version evaluation option that you can take for test drive. But the Power SEO Power Suite toolkit also covers all the SEO metrics that you can think of. It features a keyword difficulty checker and SEO content optimizer and a site structure visualizer. The word is made up, but the tool isn't. So you can see right here the rankings, the keyword tools, the backlinks, technical SEO, content, and more. So this tool is very much great if you are experienced and have the level or have the budget to invest. If you like what you see, you can substantially increase the functionality of this 4 toolkit: rank tracker, website auditor, SEO spyglass, and link assistant for yearly fee. For the free version available, premium plans start at $299 a year. So that's one of the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.